Okay, we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see how the new animation look like in the NeoGeo box art. Now, like I say, the picture probably will have white around the character because now this one is the PlayStation that I was telling you about. This one is the PlayStation. It's kind of like zooming too close, but this is the PlayStation that I created, and that's the animation. Now the animation I picked, the GIF happened to be transparent, so there's no white dot around it. Okay, so that one is a real good one that I picked, and so that's the one. Now I use a NeoGeo box art to demo this because I haven't created the PlayStation yet, and well, wish I could. The screen is kind of like so you can see the top. That's what it looked like, and the box number is perfectly now inside the box because originally it was too small for me. I had to increase the size, and then the font is not covered by the thickness of this because I thinned it out. Mine's thinner, so now you can see the name easier without that. So that's my box art. And so if you come over here, the Hylo is inside the box, and the A confirm is there, and then this setting is here. So yeah, I like the idea. The guy Samuel Simpson, I believe he's, or Sam Simpson, he created the Atari, so I used that idea from him to do this and to do that and that one, and this one I always use it on all my setup. You will see on when I go there. All right, so let's go back to box art. So like I was saying, this is your English, a folder called English, which keep all your game information. Okay, and in here is called number 0. Okay, so 0 is the one you're gonna park your station in whenever you do image changes or modification, just in case, so you won't get black screen. All right, or any kind of new upgrade, add-on, or before you power it off, make sure you park on the first one, which is the 0. So start counting from here. You go 0, then 1, 2, 3. The third one would be NeoGeo. Was it the one? Or was it a 6th one? Well, let's try 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's number 6. Couldn't be number 3 because 3 is up there on the top. So it is number 6. I just memorized it incorrectly. So number 6 is the new animation that the guy requested. Let's see how it looked. He wanted that one in here. See, that's the problem. This animation have a white background. So by transferring over and the size that he requested being big, it's done, but it doesn't look that great because it have white line around it. So as you can see, it's being transferred over. Okay. I think maybe it's best to maybe bring those box art smaller instead of having it that big. I think Chun-Li and Mei is better. This one, because the animation is good, it's just that it have white line around it. And to fix this, you have to go in one by one, zoom in using paintbrush and delete those white dots, and then that way it will look better than what it is now. But this is the one that was requested because the person liked this one. So if you was to, well, you can't see it here, but if you was to save the game, let's press B. Let's go ahead and start a game and then try to save it. When you're saving the game, oh, this one you don't save the game. This one is the retro art. This one is a retro art, sorry. Retro art, you don't use the saving, only the one that is not. So let's go to the one that is not, which is, let's go a different one. Yeah, let's go look at Capcom. Okay, so yeah, the box when the box is smaller is better, in my opinion, because your animation will show and pop more better. Instead of it be for it to be right in front of the box. Because if your box is real big, you want the animation smaller, because otherwise because it would be too big, and would be the graphic is very colorful, and then the animation is colorful, and you put it right there, you really don't really see, you kind of make it look not very good, become more messy. So whenever a box is big, you want the animation smaller, and whenever it will look better, and then otherwise you will have, it's best to reduce the box so it will look nicer. But anyway, let's go into one of this game, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. He got that picture from my setup that I did. He liked that, so he requested for that animation. Now the reason I picked the reason I use those for this, for the safe mode, is because this background is white. So when you have white and white, you don't see the white dot on the animation. But if you blow it up big and there's white dots, like this, I went in and delete all the white dot. Otherwise, you will see the white dot on the pictures, and those take a long time to do. Which it took me a long time to do just the one background without the dot. So when you go to I guess low and save, or save, press A. See, there's the animations. It look good when it's in a white background, but because it's in a colorful background, you will see the white dot, and that is the animation that he had requested, and it's the exact same one that I did, and it looked nice when it is smaller, and plus the background is white. So once it's small, you can blow it up, either picture will become blurry. So I have to go back and look for this same picture in a Google search. I look for search for Chun-Li, and Chun-Li together, and then I found this character. And then you gotta put behind it, I put GIF, so it will look for GIF file. That GIF mean a picture that actually move. Okay. All right. No, so that's the one that so you could press A to save it. Okay, so that will be your shooting game. Then you press B and B. There you go. And that's the game that we were testing. Then you press the button to exit out the game. Press A. So that's why that's where he saw the animation and he wanted that. But I think it would be better if he liked Chun-Li. It would probably best to use Chun-Li instead. And so let's look at it one more time before we end the video, which is the pocket puzzle. I think NeoGeoCD. I think I use mine. Yeah, I use Chun-Li, I think. Oh no, this is the new one I created. I created a brand new animation, and then I used this character to create that. So NeoGeoCD have its own unique box, unique animation. I did not do that for the other one, so that's why he requested to have that one for the NeoGeo Pocket. So you guys tell me what you think. The animation is he wanted real big, he wanted the biggest one you could put on it, and so that is the biggest one you could get. So I don't know, is that good? You guys like it? If so, we will keep it as that, as an animation. It's not too bad, actually. It's not too bad. It looked pretty nice. It's not very, the animation is pretty nice, and I picked the right one to put together because it's more than 12 pictures when you download it and unzip it. So hopefully you guys like it, and hopefully the tutorial helped to explain to you about how I did it. And so you guys could go and look for a GIF or MP4 and then convert it and then pick the one that will fit the movement. And you could check it, go back and forward, check it, make sure it looks correct, and then you put it together, and that's pretty much it. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully this will be helpful for you guys and let you know that's how I do it. It takes time and it's a lot of steps. Alright, later.